Unit 3, Lesson 14. It's your last lesson in this sequence, and this is an error analysis lesson. So today you're asking yourself, what is the biggest misconception that my scholars had from the day before? Is it identifying the big problem and the little problem? Is it then being able to represent of the big problem and the little problem within that, like which is larger, which is smaller? And so you need to be able to identify what you're going after today. So your big idea or new thing, there's nothing new. So I'm actually going to just change it to your T-TED statement today, is I can represent a multi-step word problem by identifying knowns and unknowns to solve for both big problem and little problem. By asking myself, and this is where like the important stuff comes from, by asking myself, one, this is the key scholar thinking, what's the big problem? Two, what's the little problem? Three, how can I rep? Four, and then sometimes it's which is larger, smaller, difference. It depends on the problem type you're going after today. So kids just need to be able to say, I can read and visualize a story problem and then make sense of the story problem. So down here, you've seen this before, you are responsible for saying to kids, first thing we do is we read and visualize, then we retell the story in our own words, then we identify our big problem. And actually, I'm so sorry, you should have little problem below it. Knowns, unknowns, and you might need to do the knowns and unknowns first. Sean equals 64. Sean is red is greater than blue. 29 more red than blue. Lost 13 blue. So we need to know red. We need to know blue. We need to know both, yeah. So then the big problem is total blue. Little problem is red. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 4 is to represent this. We know that the total crayons that he has are 64 crayons. He has some red. He has some blue. There's 24 more red than blue. He's lost 13 blue. Really confusing. Wow. Okay. Let's see if I can even solve this. 24 more red than blue. So there's 29 more red than blue. So 64 minus 29 gives us red. That'll give me the red. To get the blue then, we're going to do, once I find the red, we would do 64 minus red equals blue. Holy macarena, this is insane. And then minus 13. This is a 3-step story problem. Wow. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm so sorry. Nope, I just can't read. This said red crayons. Guys, I'm glad that we took this journey together. There's red crayons. All right. Nope. I'm so tired right now. Okay, red is 64. Blue is less because there's 29 more red than blue. Great. So then left, he lost. I'm going to do R for remaining. He lost 13. So great. 64 minus 29 gives me blue. And then blue minus 13 gives me the remaining. That's it.